you worried about your hair fall or you want to grow your hair long? If you said yes, this video is for you. I grew my hair from shoulder length to this long in just about 1.5 years, even while going through postpartum. If you want to know all the tips and tricks on how I grew my hair, keep watching this video till the end. Hi my loves, I'm Sindhu, your friendly fashion stylist and a skincare enthusiast. Let's get into the video and learn everything about hair fall. The very first step is determining whether you have hair fall or hair damage. Hair fall and hair damage are completely two different things. Hair fall is when you lose your hair from your hair follicles from the scalp, and hair breakage is when your hair breaks and falls. Before identifying whether you have hair fall or hair breakage, let me tell you this. According to the American Academy of Dermatologists, it is very usual to lose 50 to 100 strands per day. When you have short hair, losing 50 to 100 strands of hair won't look like much. But when you have long hair and you lose 50 to 100 strands a day, it will look like a lot of hair is being shedded by you. But it is normal, so don't stress over your regular hair fall. But when you identify like you're losing patch of hair and there is like so much of hair that is more than what you would lose on the regular, you would definitely need to check it out. So now let's see how to identify whether you have hair fall or hair breakage. When you comb your hair or like when you shampoo your hair, take a few hair that has fallen and see whether you can see the hair follicles. And if you can find the hair follicles, it means you have hair fall. Keep in mind, you lose like hair every day. Try to check a lot of time during the week and determine whether you see a lot of hair follicles or a lot of strands that doesn't have hair follicles but too straight in. Because when the hair breaks, it doesn't have any follicles at the place where it breaks, so it will be like straight. So you will know that you have hair fall if you find the hair follicles. If you don't find hair follicles in most of your hair, it means you have like hair breakage. Another easiest way to find whether you have hair fall or hair breakage is when you go to your hairstylist, ask them whether they find hair fall or like hair breakage. They are the best people to tell you whether you have hair fall or hair breakage. And when I say best people, I should say like your dermatologist is the very best person and the next best person is your hairstylist. At one point I was losing a lot of hair and I thought I was losing it because of postpartum and my hair was like falling off and it is normal and all that. But when I visited my hairstylist and he was the one who told me, no, your hair doesn't fall, your hair is quite stronger, but you have like hair breakage, and it was a game changer. That's how I identified I have hair breakage and not hair fall, and I started treating my hair breakage, which definitely made my choices of treatments and everything that I do on my hair, which resulted in good and healthy and strong hair. Once you determine whether you have hair fall or hair breakage, you can start following the tips and tricks that I'm going to share right now. I'm going to share the hair fall remedies first, and this is the timestamp where the hair breakage remedy starts, so you can skip if you have hair breakage and you can follow those tips. The very first and very effective way to stop hair fall is to follow a healthy diet which has like biotin rich food. I shall list a few biotin rich food that you can include in your daily routine. On the screen you can like pause and screenshot it and include those biotin rich food in your everyday life. Take your daily vitamin supplements without fail because it will also help you to compensate the food that you are not like including in your everyday routine. And also please consult your doctor before taking any kind of supplements, and don't just go buy some supplements out of the counter and then just start taking it. Definitely consult your doctor before like starting any kind of supplements. Every day I take my prenatal and vitamin D supplement. I take vitamin D because I had vitamin D deficiency, and because of COVID I'm not going out anywhere, so pretty much I know I don't have any exposure to sun which will cause vitamin D deficiency, so I am taking like vitamin D every day. And also I'm thinking about adding biotin supplement to my routine, but I haven't added it yet. So if I add it to my routine, I will definitely update you on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram at @withlovesindhu. If you think you have hair fall, check if you have any underlying health issues, because hair fall and fragile nails are the very first indicator of if you have any health issues. because our body doesn't prioritize like healthy hair and nails when it comes to like supporting your other vital organs. Only after providing like needed vitamins and everything to our vital organs, our body will provide it to our hair growth and like nail growth, etc. So if you think you have like hair fall, I highly recommend you to check with your doctor and see if you have any other underlying conditions. Include scalp massage in your hair care routine. Massaging your scalp will increase blood circulation to your scalp, which will help and aid in hair growth and also reduce hair fall. At least once a week, use a good quality hair oil to massage your scalp and stimulate hair growth. I would recommend like coconut oil or castor oil or any oil that you really like. When choosing your shampoo for your scalp, use mild shampoo and avoid like washing your scalp every day. If you think you have oily scalp and you wash it every day, it's only going to make it worse. So try to wash your scalp only when it is needed and not like every day or every other day. Washing your scalp excessively like every day or like every other day will only irritate your scalp and which may lead to more hair fall. This might sound cliche, but drink a lot of water because hydration is not only important for your body but also for our scalp health and our hair health. Only when you have like good hydrated body and scalp, your hair will like thrive in that environment. You would have heard it a lot. Stress can be one of the major factors that causes hair fall. Whenever we are stressed, our body reacts to it, and one of the way it shows is through hair fall. So if you are stressed out for any reasons, it can be anything. For me, it is like taking care of 2 kids and taking care of the house and all that causes stress. If you are currently stressed, find a way to like reduce stress. And at the current situation we are in, keeping ourselves stress-free, not stress-free, at least like low stress is really important. My favorite way to keep my stress levels low is either through meditation or like sitting quietly in a very calm place or like cleaning. I definitely clean a lot when I'm angry or stressed out. That happens all the time. So one of the apps that I use to meditate is called Oak, and this is not sponsored. I use this app a lot because it is very simple and easy to use. So you can download it in your iPhone or in Android. You can use it to like meditate, and it has like breathing exercises, and to sleep it has exercises and all that. So you can use it and try to reduce your stress. Using harsh chemicals on your scalp and hair can also cause hair fall. So look into your hair products and check if it contains any harmful chemicals that might cause hair fall. So definitely always check your hair care products or even skincare products to see if it's causing any irritation or like it's causing the hair fall. And finally, if you are a person who drinks or smokes, try to avoid it as much as possible because drinking and smoking can cause hair fall, and studies has proven that drinking and smoking causes hair fall. And it is not just for hair fall, for overall health it is better to avoid drinking and smoking. So that is it for hair fall remedies. Now let's get into hair breakage remedies. Hair fall. Similar to hair fall, even if you have hair breakage, it is important to include healthy food habits and healthy diet, food rich in biotin in your everyday routine, because it is going to help your hair grow stronger and also like it's going to give the much needed nutrition for your hair. Include biotin rich food in your diet. I will include some of the biotin rich food that you can include in your everyday routine. Please pause the screen and take a screenshot if you want to. Take your daily vitamin supplements without fail because it will also help you to compensate the food that you are not like including in your everyday routine. And also please consult your doctor before taking any kind of supplements, and don't just go buy some supplements out of the counter and then just start taking it. Definitely consult your doctor before like starting any kind of supplements. Every day I take my prenatal and vitamin D supplement. I take vitamin D because I had vitamin D deficiency, and because of COVID I'm not going out anywhere, so pretty much I know I don't have any exposure to sun which will cause vitamin D deficiency, so I am taking like vitamin D every day. And also I'm thinking about adding biotin supplement to my routine, but I haven't added it yet. So if I add it to my routine, I will definitely update you on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram at @withlovesindhu. If you have hair breakage, it is important to choose hydrating hair care products. Your shampoo, your conditioner, your hair masks or any other hair treatment look for the word hydration or hydrating, because your hair usually breaks because it lacks like moisture or hydration. It is important to find products that are going to add more moisture into your hair. Your first hair goal should be like hydrating your hair as much as possible. My recommendation and my favorite line of products that I use to keep my hair hydrated is from Moroccan Oil's hydrating line. When I first experienced hair damage, or like I should say when I found out I am experiencing hair breakage, I chose like Moroccan Oil's hydrating line, and it definitely made a huge difference. You can buy Moroccan Oil hair care products from your local naturals hair salon. Whenever I visit India, that is where I buy my Moroccan Oil products. And you can buy it in the US and also in UK. The other products that I use to keep my hair hydrated is Olaplex number 6. This is such an amazing product that I use it on my hair and also on my daughter's hair. I use it every time I feel like my hair is like little on the drier side. When you run your hands through your hair, you will know whether your hair is dry or it's like feels normal. So whenever I think my hair is dry, I would use Olaplex number 6. If you can't find the Moroccan Oil hair care line, you can buy other hair care products which has the word hydrating or hydrate in it, because most of these products are created to provide more hydration to your hair. Include nourishing hair oils in your hair care routine. Every time you wash your hair, apply nourishing hair oils on your scalp and on your hair. Concentrate your oils on your hair and let it sit at least for 30 minutes. I would recommend like overnight, but if you can't do that, let it sit at least for 30 minutes before you wash your hair and scalp. I use hair oil that I personally make that has my grandmother's hair oil recipe, and also including some vital oils and other ingredients that I found. You can check this video to find out how I make my own hair oil. But you can also use castor oil overnight to strengthen your hair follicles and also like to hydrate your hair. When you shampoo your hair, concentrate your shampoo on your scalp and not on your hair. Apply the shampoo directly onto your scalp and then massage it, and don't like bring the shampoo into your hair, because it is going to strip all the good natural oils that are like adding that hydration your hair needs. Whenever you shampoo your scalp and rinse out your hair, make sure you continue with a conditioner which is going to provide more hydration and condition your hair. Oh, that's why it's called conditioner. And when you condition your hair, make sure you condition just from the middle of your hair till the end, because if you take your conditioner up to your scalp, it is going to like make your scalp oily and it's not going to be a good look. Using hair mask that is going to provide the nourishment and the hydration to your hair is very important if you have hair breakage. You don't need to buy your hair mask. You can make your own hair mask from the ingredients that are available at your home. Include hair treatments if possible. You can do your hair treatments at home or at your local salon. I use Olaplex number 3 as a bond strengthener that helps a lot with keeping my hair strong and healthy. And this is really important. After washing your hair, do not rub your hair. Like, don't take your towel and like do this. You would have seen it in movies, and like most of our like moms and aunts do this, but definitely don't do that. When you like do this motion, it creates friction and it creates more damage, and it causes hair breakage. So every time you wash your hair, dry your hair just gently with a t-shirt. Like, I would prefer an old t-shirt, not a new one, but an old t-shirt, because the old t-shirt has much high absorbency, which would absorb all the excess water that is on your hair. If you think your hair is like breaking a lot, it is highly recommended that you avoid using hot tools excessively, because using hot tools like hair dryer, like curler, hair straighteners on the regular will cause more damage to your hair and cause more breakage. If you are experiencing hair breakage already, try to avoid it as much as possible. I usually don't like use blow dryer on my hair every time I wash my hair. Only when I'm going out somewhere, like I'm like dressing up and going out somewhere, or like sitting and recording a video, I would use a hair dryer. If not, I would like let my hair air dry. And another easy way to avoid hair damage or like hair breakage is by using a silk pillowcase or a satin pillowcase when you sleep, or you can use a hair bonnet which is made out of satin or silk. I So my loves, I think I have shared a lot of useful information in this video, and I'm pretty sure you will have your own hair care tips that everyone will get use out of. So if you have some, definitely leave it in the comment section. I will share it in my next hair care video mentioning your name. And also if you have any other question, definitely leave it in the comment section. You know I reply to every single comment and I will reply to you, and if it's like something that I need to address in a video, I'll definitely make a video on it too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click here and subscribe to my channel and watch this video next. I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, be kind, be loving. Bye bye. With love, Sindhu.